Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. May I have everybody's attention here? My name is Mahan, and with my co-founder Sheena, on behalf of TechEquity AI, we are honored to welcome all of you to join us for such an amazing event today. It's going to be focused on physical AI and agentic AI. Before we move forward, I would love to thank our sponsors, Snowflake, SVAI Hub, also Sidekick team, who's helping us with the sponsorship for this event. And also special thank to all our speakers that we invited today, our moderator, and also our panelists to share their insight in this important topic. Without further ado, I would love to ask Chad, the program manager of SVAI Hub, to have some few words with you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahan. Thank you, everyone, for coming out. My name's Chad. I'm the program manager for the Silicon Valley AI Hub. So the Silicon Valley AI Hub started in September of last year. We are a venue space here in Silicon Valley at Snowflake, where we host about 2 to 3 events a week, all AI related. We have developer programming, founders, startups, about 2 to 3 events a week, like I said. So thank you for coming to this event. Please check out our Luma page for all of our events that we host. And we would love for you to come back. And thank you for those that have been here before. I also wanted to highlight Snowflake's Dev Days. So we're having our Snowflake Summit next week. And next Thursday, June 4th, is our Dev Day. So this is a free in-person event in San Francisco with Snowflake. We'll have the founder of OpenClaw there as a keynote, and TechEquity AI will also be there. They're going to be hosting a community meetup at our Dev Days, so please check that out if you're interested in any developer workshops or Snowflake-related workshops as well.
Hi, everyone. Thanks again for coming. I'll be very quick. A little bit about us. We're TechEquity AI. We are a nonprofit organization. Our goal is to democratize AI to bring the knowledge and applications to everyone. We're here to build a global collaborative ecosystem. We bring together corporate, startups, investors, academia, and community together. And thank you, everyone, for coming. And for the past 2 years and a half, we have 3 AI Summit in the Silicon Valley. Started in 2024. We had a one-day summit at the Synopsys, and we had a one-day summit at the Computer History Museum. Last year, we had a 2-day summit at the Plug and Play Tech Center. And this year, we've been rolling out our monthly AI forums like this one here at the SVAI Hub. Thanks again for Snowflake for hosting us. And we'll be also here back for November for a 4 full-day events. So here is our event calendar. We have more events coming up the second half of the year with more workshops on the way if this is something that you're interested in. And here's a QR code that goes to our event calendar. And we're also rolling out our membership this year, and you can learn more at the door here with our Sidekick team. Especially, we're very excited that we'll be rolling out our TechEquity AI channel, and we will tell you more about what that is later on in the program. And with Sidekick, in partnership with Sidekick, we roll out our TechEquity AI channel. This is the QR code where you can give it a try. Sidekick hosts all our events archives. We actually found out working with Sidekick, we had over 100 different videos in our archives for the past 2 years and a half. So we'll love for you to explore our library and archive and talk to Sidekicks and learn more about AI. And without further ado, I'll give it to Dave.
Thank you, Sheena. All right, I'll make this really, really brief. For those of you who came in late, just want to let you know that we are going to do more hands-on workshops after the talks. So if you're interested in continuing or starting to install OpenClaw, we're going to be continuing that in the workshop room down there. And there will also be, as I mentioned earlier, a demonstration of agents. I like to say walking the dog, but it's just managing a little dog robot by Max, who's here as well. All right, so with that, we're going to go ahead and get started with our first session.